Welcome to Sandra's English. This week, we are going to learn how to make a business phone call in English.
We are born again. Open your heart. Spend less time in your head.
Following up on a quotation. Now, you are calling a client in the US to follow up on a quotation.
NGT Medical, how may I help you?
Hello, this is Sandra Wang from ABC Medical. May I speak to David, please? When you make a call, it's nice to introduce yourself first, and then you tell them who you want to speak to. For example, hello, this is Sandra Wang from ABC Medical. May I speak to David, please?
Hi Sandra, this is David. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great, thanks.
When you call your client, before you talk about business, it's polite to greet them first. If you want to watch another video of mine on greetings, I'll put the link below. We have sent you the quotation on Monday, and I'm just calling to see if you have any questions. To state the purpose of your call, you can use phrases like, I'm calling to discuss the contract. I'm calling to see if you have any questions about the quotation. We are wondering if you have issued the LC this week. We are wondering if you have got any market feedback about the new product.
Yes, we've received your quotation and will place a new order next week.
Oh, that's great. We look forward to your order.
Thank you.
Also, I just want to let you know that this month's order has been shipped.
Oh, that's great.
It's been nice talking to you. Thank you for your time.
Thanks for calling.
Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye. To end a business call, it's nice to end on a positive note. So try to find something positive to say. Like, your sample has just been sent today. Or, your order has been shipped on time. Or simply say, thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Or, it's been nice talking to you. Have a great weekend. I won't keep you any longer. Let's keep in touch. Following up on the samples. This time, you are going to call another client on a mobile to follow up on the samples you sent last month. Hello, this is Sandra from ABC Medical.
Hi Sandra, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Is it a good time for you to talk?
Yes, it's okay.
When you call someone on a mobile, it's nice to ask, is it a good time to talk? Because you might be calling at a bad time. We are just wondering if you have received all the samples.
Yes, we're testing the samples and should have the results by next month.
I see. Once you have the results, could you let us know?
Sure, we'll keep you posted.
Thank you. By the way, are you attending Medica in Germany this year?
Yes, we are.
We'll be exhibiting in Medica this year.
That's great. Please email me your booth number and we'll meet you there.
Sure, I'll do that.
Well, we'll see you then.
We'll see you soon. Have a great weekend.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. When the battery is low, you can say, Hi Jim, I'm sorry, my battery is running low. Can I call you back? Okay, thank you. Bye. Hello? Hello? When the signal is bad, you can say, Hello? You are breaking up. The signal is not so good here. Can I call you back? Okay, bye. When the voice is too low, you can say, I'm sorry, I can't hear you very well. Could you speak a bit louder, please? Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. My name is Sandra. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye! If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button so next time when I post a new video, you'll receive a notification.